I am currently in one of my favorite listings here in San Diego, and I'm currently in Rancho Santa Fe. This property behind me is up for sale right now, and it's just under 2,500 square feet. It is a 3-bed, 2-bath, and come on with me. I'm gonna show you how nice this property is. But before we go into the property, I just wanna let you know that you do have a driveway of yourself. You can fit many cars in here. It does go down pretty far all the way to the street right there, but the property has been finished, all the work that the builder has been working on, and it's currently for sale. And they have done everything that you would expect for a property of this price, and it's currently listed for $4.3 million. All offers are welcomed, but I'm gonna show you some of the things that I love about this property. So as you walk into the property, you can see that there's wood all over the property, and they added it because they wanted to have access to the outdoor and make the property an indoor and outdoor friendly. They put all brand new grass and make it feel very like you're in the middle of nature, which you are here in Rancho Santa Fe. And I'm gonna show you more of what the property looks like. But before we go into the property, let me show you your 2-car garage. You have a step over here, and it's a pretty big garage, so you could potentially have more cars lifted up. And now we're gonna go to the main house. As you walk into your property, you have the chandelier in the front, and this is the first living area that you would experience. You have the fireplace right here. You could have a TV right there. And this is a very open property that you won't see too much in Rancho. It's renovated. They just finished working on this property for about a year. It is completely quiet. This property is pretty big. I believe it's about 1.5 or 1.7 acres. So I can show you how big the property truly is. As you walk closer to your kitchen, you do have a dining area right here. And before I show you the kitchen, you do have an outdoor area that's connected to the living room that I just showed you. And of course, with the slide doors right here, they really like wood, as you can tell from the builder. And now we're gonna walk back in. Brand new floors, everything is brand new. They took it down to the studs. So you have the white oak cabinets all throughout the house. The kitchen, everything is brand new. It is Viking fridge as well. They were planning on keeping the property and renting it out for about a year before listing it for sale, but they have changed their mind. They're looking to sell the property right now, and it can be yours. And as we walk into the first bathroom, it's very modern, very clean, with the white oak doors. And there's white oak throughout the whole property. This is where you're gonna find your washer and dryer right here in the middle between the 2 bedrooms. And right now we're gonna walk to the master. And you're gonna have your own patio over there, which I'm gonna show you shortly. But this is your master shower and bathroom. So white oak vanity. You have the mirror here. You do have the rain shower, which is a nice feature. You have the bathroom, another area where you can store stuff, very big shower. And as you walk outside, you do have access to a private patio from your master bedroom, which leads to your backyard, which I'm gonna show you later. But just a fun fact, the roof is brand new, the AC is brand new, they painted inside and outside, so everything you see is basically completely brand new. So this is not very common here in Rancho Santa Fe. Most homes are a little bit older, and this is why I really like this property. This is another bedroom here, with the window to the patio and the white oak closet. And as you walk out from your secondary bedroom, you have another bedroom that they currently staged for kids, which I think is fantastic and very, very cute. White oak door for your closet. And then you do have the window of the outside. All the flooring, electrical, everything is completely brand new. And now we're gonna access the outside area, which is completely brand new. All of this is also new. This is called a rain chain, so whenever the rain comes down, instead of it just dripping down, it goes through here, and you can also connect it to any plant that you have, so the plant can have some water. But before we go to the backyard, I wanted to show you what it looks like from the outside walking into the property. So this is another living area right next to the kitchen. The AC brand new as well. You have another fire area, fire pit. And as you walk out from your kitchen area, you have another patio. That is also, they just finished building it as well. And it's the same wood throughout the whole house. And you can just completely understand how it looks, which I think is fantastic. It used to have plants and rocks all over the property, but it took a year and they renovated the whole property. In my opinion, they did an amazing job. It is currently staged, so this is not gonna be staying, but it's a great way to show what the new clients are gonna be potentially living like. So the grass as well, they just laid that out too, brand new. The AC is brand new as well. It is almost 2 acres. So you could potentially build an ADU over there to the new owner's taste. You have this large tree as well. It's a very, very quiet area here in Rancho Santa Fe. Plenty of space for kids to hang around, potentially even play either pickleball, volleyball, whatever games you want to play. It is pretty far, so that wood over there is the property line, but the property line goes very far that way. And you do have the swings here for little kids. I am 190 pounds and this swing can swing me, so that's an Alex approved. And let me show you what the property looks like from the outside area looking in. This property really offers everything. Some might say that it's a little too small for them, but this would be the perfect secondary home for anybody who's looking to visit and travel to Rancho Santa Fe and have a secondary home. As you can tell, roof is clean, brand new. They did an amazing job designing this property. I'm going to be leaving all the information about this property, including the listing, agent's information, and the description of the property. If you do have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, whether you're looking to buy, sell, or move here in San Diego. I would love to be a resource for you. All my information is going to be down in the description. And until next tour, до свидания.